Alan, automation's gone from a kind of nice to have thing in manufacturing to we need more of it now here in manufacturing. How is MC Machinery supporting us?
Well, actually, we're supporting everybody we can in this industry with automation now, and every year, like you just said, it just gets more and more important with the lack of skilled labor even, and just the need to have unmanned manufacturing. So our goal is to offer that to every customer right out of the gate, and then see where it goes from there. So Arthur, another method of automation here at MC Machinery is using a 6-axis articulating robot. We use it especially on our wire EDM like this MV1200R. Works great for fitting inside the work envelope, and actually in this demonstration it's loading a rotary B-axis.
So are there any limitations with a system like this when it comes to the robot? Is there a weight concern?
Yes, absolutely. So a smaller robot like this will hold up to 22 pounds with the work and the fixture included.
Okay, Alan, well, we're running on one machine here, but what if I wanted to tie in a second one? Do I need a second robot?
No, actually, this type of a system can be set up to load 2 machines with this size robot, and you can actually load even more with a larger robot, probably up to 3. And then after that, we go into linear rail motion systems that can load multiple machines.
Alan, look at the system beside us. What can you tell me about this? What do you got going on? It looks like a whole lot of machinery.
No, it's awesome, and this is a solution where we're using something off the shelf. So there's companies out there that make automation that you can just pick and place, just kind of like an erector set, and put it all together and make a cell out of it. So this particular automation is going to serve 2 machines in this cell. As you can see, it has got a mill on one side that mills electrodes for a die sinking machine on the other that does all the die sinking work.
So is this a common configuration that you'd see out in the marketplace?
It does a really nice job of demonstrating how a robot will feed either the mill or the sinker, but in all likelihood in production, a lot of our customers are using a robot with 2 mills or a robot with 2 sinker EDMs.
Okay, now for the people out there that are watching, Alan, what if 2 machines integrated just isn't enough for them?
Well, then of course we can go back to a rail-guided vehicle and put numbers of machines, and the robots will ride along on that rail-guided vehicle and load each machine as needed.
So for the machine shops out there, Alan, that are thinking automation, that want to take that next step, what does that look like with MC Machinery Systems?
Well, we first sit down with the customer and find out all of their issues so we can put together a solution that meets all their needs. And then we have a whole group of engineers here that we can bring to the meetings, have them come here and go through the process of what they want to automate, how they want to automate. And one of the things that I do want to mention is the automation you're seeing mostly at our company here at MC Machinery is palletized. And the reason we do that is because of the super high accuracy that we do every day. And so the palletization process takes it from one machine to the other and always holds less than 1/10 of a thousandth repositioning. Very awesome.
Alan, that's really exciting for me as a machinist at heart. I love automation and everything we're going. For people that want to take that next step, what's the best way to connect with you?
I would guess the easiest would be to go to mcmachinery.com. Everybody knows that, and then start from there.